puts his whole hand in the back of it and goes, "This is all yours?" I'm like, hi, my name is Tina Noelle.
Hi, my name is Stephanie Ballena.
Hi, my name is Christina, a.k.a. Poofy.
Hi, I'm Kandace Hurdle.
And this is Curlfessions. I was a major for broadcast journalism, and my dream was to be on the red carpet and do entertainment news. And of course, along that route, you have to do broadcast. So we're here reporting live at CSUN. So being on camera, they had a section about our class on appearance. And I just remember a couple professors saying things like, "Oh, you're gonna control your hair on camera, right?" I never really understood what that meant, but it would boil me inside because I was like, what do you mean control my hair? I had just found my curls. Like, I had straightened my hair my entire life. College is really when Poofy emerged. So when I had the opportunity to be on camera and let Poofy shine, I felt like I have to be controlled. And it really actually deterred me from becoming a broadcast journalist, because I was like, if this is what it means, is to like listen to what someone else has to say about my hair, this isn't for me. And ladies, let me just tell you, you can do whatever it is that you want, and you can rock your curls however you want. That shouldn't deter you from being a host, a broadcast journalist, or any on-camera work, because now it's 2022. We gonna let these curls shine, baby.
Growing up, especially like college, people would ask if I was mixed because my hair would curl. And that was before embracing your natural hair really became popular and became like something that we really embraced. I definitely felt a way of having to explain even to like my own community, like, why can't my hair just curl? But even to myself was like, why does it do that? I don't know. Like, I'm not doing anything to it. I think that people don't think about how that sounds, but to me, that's a microaggression. Like, why can't it just be curly? And even to this day, if I happen to wear it out at the studio, wow, I didn't know your hair could do that. Look at you, always wanting to touch it. And I hate feeling like a spectacle when I wear my hair. I'm proud of it, and we should be proud of it, and it should be a statement, but not to where people are like peculiar about it and like, like, you know, wanting to, it's so, look at it, it's like a spring, it's so, wow, it's so interesting. My hair can do a lot of things. It's magical.
I was on a date, and we didn't even get to go on the date because of this. So we get in the car, and he's looking at me, he's like, "Oh, you look beautiful, blah, blah." I'm like, "Thank you." We didn't pull off, we're just talking. And he literally reaches over to my hair, takes his hand, puts his whole hand in the back of it and goes, "This is all yours?" I'm like, are you for real? I literally just looked at him like, "Are you serious? Like, why would you ask me that?" He was just like, "I didn't even think it was that serious. Like, I'm just asking you a question." I'm just like, "But you're in my scalp with your fingers. Like, where have your hands been? Like, what's going on? Why would you ask a girl that on a date?" Now you're done. No more chances.
When I was in Dominican Republic, in the motherland, they didn't want me to go into this club because it's very prestigious in Dominican Republic, and they didn't let me in because my hair was curly. Can you believe it? It was just like regular curly, defined, how it looks right now. And I remember there was another girl outside, and she also had curly, natural hair, and they didn't let her in either. And that happens a lot in Dominican Republic. I actually felt a little emotional. In the US, I never faced racism. I mean, I have, but not like to that extreme where I didn't get in somewhere because of my hair.
I'm Kandace Hurdle.
My name is Christina, a.k.a. Poofy.
I'm Tina Noelle.
I'm Stephanie.
And this is Curlfessions. A microaggression.
I know, it's like what?
Dove 0% is different. We left aluminum out and put 48-hour freshness and 1/4 moisturizers in. Dove 0% aluminum deodorant, lasting protection that's kinder on skin.
Hey you guys, what's up? I'm Ava Pearl, founder of Curly Culture, a community for people with all types of curly hair, from a 2A to a 4C. We're gonna have some really great content for you guys, so make sure you stick around, like, share, and subscribe to the channel.